everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm Shishmita Raut, as usual, here with some really good content for you all. Today I'm having a really sweet small surprise. I hope by my gesture you have got some clue, but this surprise is just a trial and I have tried this for the very first time. Believe me, I'm not an expert, but I did it and I'm very much feeling fortunate about it. I hope you will enjoy this video too, and you will get some glimpse and some ideas and some techniques and some kind of in my way jugaad I can say. So what it is, because if you don't watch this video you are going to regret it, or I can say just watch it and enjoy it. That's all. So let's get into the video with some excitement and welcome to the footage now. टेराकोटा लाल मिट्टी कहाँ मिलेगी?
मिट्टी मिल सकता है क्या?
नहीं, यहाँ पे कहाँ पे मिलेगा? इस साइड। Then after searching a lot of places, we finally found our destination. Yeah, finally. ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं, इतना बड़ा बनाना है। कितना बोले पूछो उतना कितना हो? ये 2 किलो है। अच्छा, ये कितने कैसे?
हाँ, ये गेहूं का आटा कैसे अपन बोलते हैं,
हाँ।
सब में पानी एकदम नहीं डालने का,
हाँ।
थोड़ा बाजू को करने का। फिर गेहूं का आटे का अपन चपाती बनाते हैं,
हाँ।
वही सब ये करने का और आधा 1 घंटा उसको मोरा देने का।
हाँ।
और प्लास्टिक के इसमें जब तक काम नहीं होगा तब तक प्लास्टिक में ढकने का।
अच्छा, मतलब गीले कपड़े से ढक के रखना है?
नहीं, प्लास्टिक का काम हो गया।
हाँ।
तो बात अलग है, थोड़ा काम रहेगा।
हाँ।
तो बाहर रखेगा तो सूख जाएगा, तो उसको प्लास्टिक में ढकने का।
हाँ, अच्छा।
थोड़ा ठंडा रहेगा।
हाँ।
फिर बाद में काम पूरा होने के बाद पहले निकल देंगे, सूख जाएगा। तुम अभी थोड़ा बनाएगी, ऐसा रख देगी।
हाँ।
फिर वो सूख गया, दूसरा मिर्ची लगाए तो वो चढ़ जाता।
अच्छा।
तुम ऐसा ये बनाए,
हाँ।
पूरा नहीं हो गया,
हाँ।
प्लास्टिक से ढकने का।
हाँ।
काम करने को प्लास्टिक निकालने का गिला रहता है, काम करने का पूरा हो गया, प्लास्टिक निकालने का सूखा देने का।
So yeah, I found a sadhu clay powder. Okay, now let's start the journey. So here I started my first trial and yeah, I was not happy, but I was doing still. Now here I begin my second trial, and now let's start it. try to cover it up again. Let's hope for the best now. So here I think I haven't listened to the instructor properly, so that's why here is the result of it. Sorry. So please don't try it in my way. Listen to the instructor if you haven't listened it. In the earlier footage there is. I hope you liked the video and you liked the things I have done. So that was Sadhu clay. I got it. I got to know about this clay from one of my friend. She told me that this is Sadhu clay and where did you go and get it from? And then I realized that this is Sadhu clay because that person I have asked from that person to give me terracotta, and he basically hand over me this Sadhu clay, and later on I realized this it is. But thing is that as I have already told you, I am not an expert in this and I am doing this for the very first time, and that's the only reason I am saying this, because as you have seen, lots of cracks and a lot of a lot of crack you have seen around the idol, Ganesha idol. Yeah. So I have no clue what I have not used it and for what reason it is not coming up properly. But I did a trial first, then I did this one, but the trial one appears so beautiful and this one appears, I was not expecting this will happen with me, but hopeful I am still. I'm going to color it and I'm going to show you how I'm coloring it in my next video. I hope just till then you will subscribe me and follow me and wait for my next video of coloring the idol. Until then, bye bye, take care, love you all, and I hope you subscribe, share and hit the bell icon so that whenever I'm going to come, you will get a notification. Yeah. Okay, bye bye.